Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Settings because this is the only reliable location for game mode. Press Win+I. Once Settings appears, make sure you are signed in as an administrator so changes persist. Then click Gaming from the left column and select Game Mode. You do this now to access the single toggle that controls system-level game optimizations. Once on the Game Mode page, prepare to change the switch. This is the first actionable step that actually disables automatic gaming behavior. Now you turn the toggle off. Click the Game Mode switch so it reads off. This change takes effect immediately because Windows applies Game Mode at the system level. It stops prioritizing resources for full-screen or exclusive mode games. Make sure to also check and disable any overlays or third-party optimizers that mimic game mode, since they can counteract the setting. Once done, close Settings, but keep an eye on performance in your next play session to confirm the change. Finally, confirm the change by restarting your PC. Some background services reinitialize only after a reboot. If game mode re-enables or your change doesn't stick, make sure group policy or a management profile isn't enforcing it. Corporate devices often lock settings. Update Windows and GPU drivers to remove conflicts, and if things still fail, open Event Viewer to look for errors related to gaming services or settings sync. This troubleshooting step usually reveals why the toggle won't remain off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.